Hello guys, welcome back to another episode. Now we actually have a bit of a problem. So for some reason when I change my wing mirrors, my back tail light has decided to stop working. Now apparently it's a common problem with these cars, and apparently it's the earthing wire. I hope you can hear me, by the way, because it's very windy out here. I tried to put a hat on, it just blew off, so that's why I got my hood up. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to show you how to change these backlights, and you should have everything in the car that you need to change them. And look, I've got these new lights. I've got these brand new LED lights. Now I actually, when I ordered them, great company by the way, big shout out to Auto Styling. Weirdly, in my hometown, I tried to find some lights. I was ordering them from like Germany and stuff like that, and then when I actually ordered these lights, it turned out they were down, like literally down the road from me. Crazy. But yeah, big shout out to them. Sharon there, thank you for helping me. Now we had a little look for the lights, and I've actually ended up with these kind of red smoked lights. I'm really happy with. Oh, that's just the thing. I was like, what's that? It's just the rubber. Yeah, look. Now, I really like this because me and my mate talk about this when it's a cafe machine. For some reason, my paint color is like a smoked grey or black. It's weird because it's not black and it's not grey. It's like look, it's like a kind of a smoked grey. But these go really well with it. They're kind of like, because they're not like ridiculously smoked black ones, but they're kind of slightly in that. I think they work really well with this, so we got to get these off, and I hope and pray putting these new ones on will actually fix the problem with the other light, because it might just be eroded the connectors. We're going to find out. Like this, just lift this up. Now you should have the tools literally right here. This is all you need, because all you do is pop open this hole, and then this sticks in there, which I'll show you now. So what we're going to do, guys, I'm going to take this one off first because it's the left one. You just pop open this little hatch here, and then this actually should go, oh no, sorry, wrong end. This end actually goes in, you don't need that. Goes inside it. There we go. You can twist it. There we go. Twist them off. It's great that you got everything you just need in the back of your car. Now these are plug and play lights. Like I said, I will leave a link down below for these exact lights. The company that I got them from. Like I said, I'm not affiliated. I'm not associated with them. They're a really nice company, and I want to show a small company some support. So yeah, if you can now, that's it. Once that bolt is out, that's it. That literally comes out. You just got a little nudge. There we go. Oh, there you go. Right. What we can do is unplug it now. Ooh, that does look. Really, look at that. Yeah, look, I don't know if you can see it. Can you see this? Look inside there, look at that. No wonder the lights stopped working. That's insane. Yeah, that's not good. Yeah, no wonder the light went out. Right, glad I'm replacing these now. Obviously these are bulb ones, the ones we're replacing with are LEDs. But what worries me is it's kind of there, but it might still be okay. So it worries me if I'm going to have to replace that too, but what we'll do is we'll try plug it in, see what it is. I can always replace this at a later date now that I know that that's a bit corroded too. So I'll try plug the new one in. I kind of want to clean stuff. I always just hate seeing some dirt. I want to plug it in and see if it works. Right, now that I've got that all cleaned up, sorry, it's so windy out here, it's crazy. Like I said, once again, big shout out to Auto Styling. If you want these yourself, I will leave, like I said, I'll leave a link in the description for you. Great small company, you want to support them if you can. These are just plug and play, so apparently you just meant to plug them in and they all work, so we're going to find out. So because they are plug and play, you literally could just plug them straight back into the old wiring, which I feel like I may have to change soon anyway. But make sure to see these side pins, make sure they go to the holster on the right, slot it back in, and then what you want to do is get the same screw that you pulled up before. Once you've screwed that back in, this will hold the lights in, and I actually think they look so good, but I need to do the right one now. Oh my god, dude, do you not think that completely changes that back end? Look at that. That looks 10 times better. Because like I said, my weird grey / black smoky paint job, that actually works really well. Now the test is though, will it work? Now remember, this light was the one that was out. So I'm going to go turn the lights on and hope and pray that has fixed that. They're actually on. Look, LEDs. They will flicker for you. Oh my god, they look so much better. Oh my god, I'm so happy with them. Left them on for you. How much better do they look? They look great. Because I love that when they're off, you kind of see them, but when they're on, that just completely changes that back end.
Yep. Remember, I'll leave the link for these down below because I'm super happy with them. And like when they're off, just look.
Actually really sunny and I can't see anything, but that is all done. Thank you for watching this episode, guys. If you can, please drop a like, subscribe if you want it more. Like I said, my content is car and casino content if you like both. If you like either or, come join it. The Discord is down below as well. But guys, really appreciate you guys watching this video. Thank you. See you in the next one.